Hello, these are the guidelines for Mac users for formatting papers for this class. So first of all, we need to make sure that we have Times New Roman, and this is already set at Times New Roman. We also need to make sure that it's 12-point font, and here again we already have 12-point font. We also need to be sure that we have double spacing throughout, so we just move this down 2. Alright. So then next we need to make sure that we have a heading for our paper. We want our heading to be right aligned, so we'll click on this button to align the text to the right. And then you can type your name first. Press enter, and you'll type the class. This class is ESL 15. It's helpful to include your section, so you're either in section 9 or section 10 this semester. Then you need to include the due date of the assignment. And last but not least, let me know what the assignment is. So this would be, for instance, summary draft 1. Okay. Next we come to the title. The title needs to be center aligned. So we just press this button to make it go to center. And then we write the title of the essay. Notice the special capitalization of the title. The title also should be bold. So let's make sure we highlight this and click on B to bold it. And then we press enter to go to the next line. Now we want the rest of our text, the entire body, to be left aligned, so we click on this button. Okay. And then we can begin typing the body of our text. You'll notice that this is still bold, and also I have not indented. So the way to indent is press the tab button. Now I've indented my paragraph, and I can just highlight this and undo the bold, and I can continue typing. So to recap, make sure that your heading is right aligned and double spaced. Make sure that your title is centered and bolded, and then make sure that your text is left aligned and that you indent every paragraph of your text. Some students in the past have chosen justified text, but this results often in odd spacing. This is what it looks like if you justify the text. It makes a nice line over on this side, but you'll see that the spacing between words is different. So please make sure that you left justify the text. As discussed in class, this is the format for the essays that you submit for this class, so please use this format. You will lose points if you do not follow this format. And one last thing, I would like you to include page numbers on each page. To do so, you simply click in the header space, and you'll want to make sure that the font is correct. So change this to Times New Roman and 12-point font. Also, I'd like the page numbers to be right aligned. So click on this button to right align the page number. Then all you have to do is click on Insert Page Number, and it will insert the page number for you. Check to be sure that your page numbers continue on all your pages. If this doesn't happen, you may want to check your inspector settings. Click on the Layout button, and then click on the Section button within that. And you'll want to make sure that this button is not, or this is not checked. If so, it may mess up your numbering. Okay? And that's it. Thank you.